We will now do the third problem. In this problem, Karen is planting a tree. She wants to use guide wires to stabilize the tree. Karen places the guide wires 8 feet up the trunk. So the guide wire is going to be 8 feet up the trunk, and 6 feet from the base. 6 feet from the base of the trunk, and this would be the guide wire. The right angle would be right here. So we're asked how much total wire she needs for these guide wires. So notice she needs 3 guide wires. So it would be good to make note of that. It's always good to know how many you need at the end. So whatever answer we find this to be, we will have to multiply it by 3. Okay, so again, we are looking for the hypotenuse because it's across from the right angle. So we're using the type 1 formula, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Hypotenuse is h squared. A would be, we can do 6 or 8, so 6 squared plus 8 squared. So h squared is equal to 6 squared is 36. 8 squared is 64. We add those two, we get 100. We want to know what h equals, not h squared. So we take the square root to get rid of the 2, but whatever we do on the left side, we have to do on the right side. So we end up with h on this side, square root of 100, we should know is 10, and it is in feet. So are we done yet? No, we need to create a sentence. It is a word problem. So 10 feet is just 1 guide wire though. Remember at the beginning, I made a note, there are 3 guide wires. So we have to go 10 times 3, which would give us 30 feet. So the question is, how much total wire will she need for both guide wires? We would write Karen needs 30 feet for of wire, let's say, for her guide wires. Something along that line would be a great sentence. That is the end of question 3.